This is not ABC type of questions, but I have done certain like this kind of listing before my exam. You can see, I will share this also in the link. First, we'll go with cost sheet. So I did three types category. First one is format based. Here, very important format. Like you will go from prime cost, factory cost, all of that should be step by step. For that only you will get marks. If one step is correct, you will get marks. Otherwise, you will not get marks. So either it will be straight or it will be reverse working. So these two type questions, you need to do it 100% and go. The third type is X and Y finding type of questions. What do you mean by that? See, I've explained it in like this. So what do you mean by that is you have to like, they will not ask you directly like format based. They'll ask you find the prime cost or sales overhead or something. So you need to put that value as X and you need to find it. So that type of question is X and Y. Second one, I will talk about material costing. So here some two type of questions which is very important. The first type is EOQ, ROQ, formula based questions where you have to put the root of 2 into annual capacity. So that type of questions, ROQ and all the formula based, you know that formula based, right? So all of those type of questions will be there. That is one type. Second type is combining the budget and material costing together. So this is something that ICI does, and it is little bit difficult to find out it. So there will be yield questions included in this, or there will be budget question, consumption thing you have to do, and then you have to find the material costing also included in that. That type of MCQ can come, or direct question can also come. This is the last one I'll be doing. The rest of the chapters I have made this thing as I told you. I will be sharing that, otherwise it will become a huge video. Again, this is my preparation before the exam. You can follow it or not, it depends on you, but I did and I got an exemption for this, so I'm just telling you that. So cost accounting system, I skipped it. Yeah, so there, like, I was not understanding anything, trust me. I was like, yeah, only I did BRS type of questions where you do that, you will start from the cost books and you will go, you will find the financial books. So that type of question, this one, so I did that one, and then I was like, Bhagwan bacha lena. So you can go or you can not go. I was journal entries banana, फिर उसको financial statement बना के उसको reconcile करना. I was really not understanding at that point. I was so fed up. That's why I just chose one thing. So I've written that also, if you can see it. So yeah, the rest of the things you can find it in my link and you can watch it. If you want any other things, do comment on below. In the next video, I'll be doing on audit. Audit also, I will do detailed which chapters I did. I skipped there also thing, but I still got 50. I'll be doing that. Thank you for watching.